So, her reactions to it.
Jacket doctor?
Have never been reported.
Jacket?
Try again.
Oh, you are filming it.
Jacket doctor?
And you see these
Not unless necessary.
screens and other sort of expressionistic devices appearing.
Then you say, Miss Dubois?
I'm waiting for my cue.
You don't, what you do is you'll go up to, you'll go up to her.
Where is she? I don't see her.
She's on the ground.
All I see is a green rug.
Pretend that Joni's Blanche. Jacket doctor?
Not necessary.
That he chose to
I don't know. She doesn't appear to need it. She ran off.
And then, so after you come up to Blanche, Blanche is being restrained by the gentleman, and you say to her, Miss Dubois.
He had a lot of drama in his own house.
Then Blanche will say, tell them to let me go.
Well, let's do it again.
Okay.
I've got to take my hat off.
Mother in that many of his famous plays. You see his
Ready?
a lot of his
Jacket doctor?
plays and some of the unpublished work. But the exception is his sister Rose. I mean, it's as though he took a picture of Rose and tore it into 100 pieces and let them float down. They were fine. They were brilliant to his work. This was the love of his life.
Not
And he saw
unless
her life
necessary.
being so tragic that,
Miss Dubois.
again, it's
Miss Dubois?
material
Dubois.
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 for presenting a character
Dubois?
who is odd
Dubois.
to the world, who is
Dubois?
disadvantaged psychologically.
She did do boys.
And so we see
A little hidden meeting there.
Maybe.
Miss Dubois?
Tell him to let me go.
Let go.
And then you'll help Blanche up. You'll offer her your arm. I've always depended on the kindness of strangers. And you'll walk off. All right.
How was that?
That was pretty good.
That's pretty damn good, I think.